This is everything that comes with this automatic spray system. So you could use it for reptiles or you could use it to water plants. You got the motor itself, which has 2 inlets and 2 outlets. The power cable. You got the nozzles that spray the water. You got 3 stoppers. These are the water filters that suck the water up. You got the extra nozzles in case these get damaged or anything. The 2 suction cups, which you screw in right behind here. And you got some zip ties, and you got 1 long hose that you cut to whatever measurement you need. So I set it all up. They give you a good amount of hose, so you could cut it at whatever measurement you'd like. So the 2 on one side are A and the 2 on the other side are B. So one's the intake. It tells you right in the middle. I don't know if you could see it. It says in right there, and then it says out right here. So this one's in, this one's out for A, and this one's B in, and this one's out. So I only have one set up. The water's right behind it, and I set up that mister right there. So the way I put it, I just open up this little screen and place it there. You could do a hole in your screen, but I didn't want to. And then you just tighten it with this one. So I just did one. You could add another one here and make it 2 misters, but one's good enough. And let me show you. So I have it how often? Once a day. And then this is the range. So the range I have 1 to 2, it goes all the way up to 24, and it does spray a lot. 1 to 2 is good enough. I have a little tortoise there. That's good enough for him. And then I have it just for 6 seconds, just to wet the little area over there. You can see I already tried it, and he likes the moisture. He's there with the sun, the light, and just in the water. So, yep, 1 second, the range 1 to 2, 8 seconds per spray, and once a day. So I'm gonna press this one, it turns it on, and you can see the mister right there. And he's right under it, soaking it up. It works really good. And I turned it on manually, so I would have to turn it off manually. You see it's running for more than the time that I put. You press it again, it turns it off. And there he is, nice and refreshed. This thing works awesome, great little setup.